माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं रमन यादव। आपका अपना क्लासेस रमन क्लासेस में आप तमाम बच्चों का हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो फॉर क्लास 9 CBSE, सब्जेक्ट नेम केमिस्ट्री, चैप्टर्स नेम मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग, पार्ट 3। बच्चों, in today's video I would like to explain about the topic diffusion and its applications. First of all, before explanation of anything else, I would like to give message to the students: do hard work, it will cause the success in your life. So without wasting your time, I would like to proceed the topic. First of all, try to understand what do you mean by diffusion. The process of intermixing of particles of any two matter. The process of intermixing of particles of any two matter, this is called as diffusion. I have just written here the process of intermixing of particles of any two matter together, that is called as diffusion. The rate of diffusion, which is minimum in solid, moderate in liquid or maximum in gaseous state. Here the question will be asked as name the state of matter in which rate of diffusion is maximum. So answer will be gaseous state of matter. Name the state of matter in which rate of diffusion is minimum. So there are 4 options for you: solid, liquid, gas, none of these. So answer will be solid. In solid state of matter, the rate of diffusion is minimum. To explain diffusion activity, we perform an activity. First of all, we take 2 gas jar. One contains bromine vapor, or second gas jar which contains air. Now mouth of both gas jar are joined together. In third case, we observe that the particles of air as well as bromine vapor, these are intermixed together. Particles of air rush downwards, whereas particles of bromine vapor rush in the upward direction. After passing few minutes, we observe that the color of gaseous mixture appears as reddish brown. This activity shows that diffusion takes place between any two states of matter. Diffusion takes place between any two states of matter. Diffusion may take place between solids. Diffusion may take place in liquids. Diffusion also takes place in gaseous state of matter. That's why I have just said diffusion will take place between any two states of matter. It takes place in solids, it also takes place in liquids, it also takes place in gaseous state of matter. There are many applications of diffusion in everyday life, such as without going in the kitchen, from the very far off, we come to know what kind of favorite dishes are being made at our home. बच्चों ध्यान दें, किचन में बिना गए हुए हम समझ जाते हैं what kind of favorite dishes are being made. How does it happen? Really, the particles of food items are also intermixed with air. The particles of food items also intermix with air, and we also inhale diffused air. हम diffused air लेते हैं to maintain the respiration process. That's why we come to know what kind of favorite dishes are being made at our home. Suppose that fish, mutton, or any other items of food varieties which may mix in kitchen, this is possible. We can get the sensation about different variety of food items. This will be possible by the process of diffusion. I would like to give another examples to you about diffusion. Several students also attend the class every day during the schooling life. Somebody have also used perfume. When we open cap of the perfume bottle, then its particles also goes in air. उसका particle air में जाता है. These particles of perfume also intermix with air, जो air में mix होता है. When this diffused air, perfume added air, we inhale to maintain the respiration process. We also get the sensation somebody has used perfume without seeing them. बिना देखे हुए बता सकते हैं कि somebody has used perfume. When the person used perfume moves forward, then the fragrance of perfume moves in the backward direction. It moves according to the blowing of air. These all are the examples of diffusion in everyday life. In this way, you have learnt about the diffusion, basic elementary ideas, as well as several examples about the favorite dishes. We come to know what are the applications of diffusion. In the same way, we also take another example about diffusion. We also prepare khichdi at our home. This also contains the taste of all gradients. With the help of a smell of that food items, we come to know what type of favorite dish it is. In this way, children, you have got the information about the diffusion with the help of an activity or various examples related with our practical life. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो यदि आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर माय यूट्यूब चैनल. धन्यवाद.